Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to add emergency contact to your emergency number or emergency SOS in your Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, all you have to do is go to setting in your Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, here in settings, okay, scroll down and find the privacy. Okay, click privacy. And okay guys, here in privacy, okay, you can see the SOS. And okay guys, all you have to do is click the emergency SOS. And okay guys, now in emergency SOS, okay, you need to enable the emergency quick access button. And okay guys, after you enable the quick access emergency button, okay, you'll have to do is click the emergency numbers. And now here you can see the emergency number you want to contact if you enable the emergency SOS. And okay guys, so here you can see the add emergency contact. And okay guys, you all have to do is click add emergency contact. And now you can select the contact you want to add to your emergency SOS. And okay guys, so I choose one of my contact. And after that, okay, after you select the contact, okay, you can see the add button on the upper right side on your screen. And okay, you'll have to do is click add. And now your contact is add to emergency SOS number. And okay guys, so we can try it. Okay, I press the power button 5 times to enable the emergency SOS. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now you can see the contact you add to your emergency SOS. And okay guys, to call this, okay, you can select the contact you want to call if you need emergency. Okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.